What's up, guys? In this video, I'm sharing how I challenged myself to learn an entire piano piece, start to finish, in just 24 hours. I'm talking chords, melody, and everything in between. Did I totally crash and burn or nailed it with insane results? Stick around, because by the end, you'll see the exact steps I used so you can do it too, even if you never touch a piano in your life. So here's the deal. I gave myself exactly 1 day to pick a piece, break it down, practice, and then perform it for you. Let's split this into 3 parts. Number 1, chords and notes, the simple building blocks. Number 2, muscle memory tricks, so your hands know what to do without thinking. And number 3, piano moves. You know, the extra flair that makes it sound impressive. Now, I promise this is going to be super easy approach. Most people who follow these steps learn the basics in a matter of days, but I try to do it in 24 hours. So let's kick it off. Here's a quick demo of what we're aiming for. And if this looks hard, I guarantee it's simpler than you think once we break it down step by step. Alright, first let's get familiar with the piano layout and anchor our thumbs on an easy starting note. For me, that note is C. If you're not sure how to find it, just look for a group of 2 black keys, move directly to the left, that's your C. Keep your thumbs on C. Much for this lesson, so you do not slide all over the place. And that's the real trick. Minimal motion, maximum results. Even if we change chords, we'll do it mostly by moving just a couple of fingers. And this is how you stay efficient under a time crunch. So, shoot of you placing both thumbs on C. We're gonna learn a quick chord progression. In my 24-hour challenge, I used 4 easy chords, and here's how I laid them out. Chord number 1, C chord. Left hand C, right hand C, E, G. Chord number 2, G chord variant. Left hand B, right hand C, D, G. Chord number 3, A minor variant. Left hand A, right hand C, E, G. Chord number 4, F chord variant, left hand F, right hand C, F, G. Don't worry if you're seeing fancy names like C at 9 or Jesus, whatever, we are skipping complicated theory. Just remember these shapes and we are golden. The big trick, your right hand barely moves. The outside notes C and G stay the same almost the entire time. The left hand shifts from C to B to A to F. And we keep motion minimal. That's how you survive a 24-hour bliss. If I just hammered these chords over and over, my brain would forget them by hour 2. Instead, I used specific mini drills to lock them in. And here's what I did. Practice only the left hand. C, B, A, and F. Again. C, B, A, and F. Step 2. Practice only the right hand's shape. So, we have C, E, G, and keep your outer fingers on C and G and only focus on that middle note shift. We go from E to D, from D back to E, and from E to F. So the right hand looks like this. And step 3 is to combine them slowly, 2 chords at a time. Don't jump straight through all 4, alternate chord 1 and 2 until smooth. Then chord 2 and 3. And then chord 3 and 4. I spent about half my day just drilling them in repeating patterns. And I can also do something like long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Or just 1 chord per beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if that sounds a bit tedious, trust me, it's the reason I could jump to the final performance without my hands falling apart. Alright, a funny thing. Around hour 12, I was hitting a wall. My fingers were out of sync, my chords got sloppy, and if that happens to you, guess what? Sometimes you just need a quick break or even an overnight rest. And that's when your brain cements everything. In a 24-hour challenge, I took a power nap. And when I woke up, boom! My muscle memory felt a lot better. So, if you're doing this in one day, schedule in some breaks. Don't try to soldier through an entire 24 hours or you'll start making mistakes you never had before. Let your brain catch up. Okay, next, now for the fun part, making these chords come alive. Instead of playing them straight all the time, add little patterns like rolling from left to right or altering each note, something like this. Or you can also break up the left and right hands in a call-response vibe. For instance, the left hand first and then the right hand after. But keep it simple. But these little variations are what I call piano moves. They use the same notes, just different rhythm or broken chords. And they instantly add flair. Yeah, and I do have a free piano crash course on my website. I link this down in the description. It's the best way to start learning the piano, and if you're hungry for more, I highly recommend that you pause the video real quick, get this free piano course so that you don't forget it, and then come back to the video so that we can go on. Alright, welcome back. Next, the final performance. So I did really learn this piece in 24 hours? Let me show you exactly how it turned out, cracks and all. Remember, 24 hours I was starting from scratch on these shapes. Let's see if it paid off. Alright, not bad, right? And that's the nature of a 24-hour bliss challenge. Try as good as you can. The insane part is how far you can get with a strong system. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you're hungry for more, I have a next video where you learn 4 chords and play thousands of songs. Enjoy and looking forward to see you in the next one.